Dear students, now we have to discuss about the next process, that is sowing. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds are selected which give yield. Before starting the sowing process, we have to choose the quality having seeds that should be clean and that should be healthy, not have any diseases, and the type of the seeds we have to select and which give the yield means already we know so much quantity. Selection of the seeds. Damaged seeds become hollow and are lighter. What type of the damaged seeds? When we are selecting the seeds, no, at that time we have to select the good seeds, means we have to remove the damaged seeds. The damaged seeds become hollow, means the hollow, they are not have the any contents inside of the soil. That type of the damaged seeds, they are lighter and they float on the water. How can we going to understand the seeds are hollow like that? Means when we are putting inside of the vessel, if we are pouring the water, means the hollow damaged seeds, the lighter seeds come upside, they float on the water. Like that we have to remove the damaged seeds. It is a good method to remove group of damaged seeds. First we have to remove the damaged seeds. If you are not removing the damaged seeds, means they are not growing and that type of the seeds are not eligible for the sowing. Traditional tool, that is funnel shape tool used for sowing. What type of the funnels we are using? No, for filling the oils in the ration shops. That type of the funnels we are using for the sowing of the seeds. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through the 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. The seeds are filled inside of the funnel and passed these type of the seeds to the downside through the 2 or 3 pipes and having the sharp ends. That pipes are there, no? They have the sharp ends. Like this traditionally also we are sowing the seeds. These ends pierce into the soil and place the seeds there. What type of the sharp ends are there? No, these ends pierce into the soil and place the seeds there. Inside of the soil they will going to place the seeds. Next, soil drill used for sowing by tractors. What type of the tractors nowadays we are using? No, for this type of the tractors, the seed drill we will going to use for making the farming in the agricultural land. This sows the seeds equal distance and depth. What type of the this seed drill is there? No, this will going to sow the seeds in equal distance and equal depth, because manually if we are done the sowing process, means there is no equal distance, we have to measuring purpose also, that is become problem. So that one seed drill will going to helpful for the sowing of the seeds in equal distance. It helps to protect the seeds from birds by covering seeds. What type of the seed drilling is there? No, this will help to protect the seeds from the birds. After the sowing, if the birds are attacked to the farm and if they are eaten all the seeds, means there is no use of the sowing. For that purpose, if you are doing the seed drilling, means that will protect the seeds by covering the seeds. What type of the soil is there? No, that will going to cover the seeds. It saves the time and labor. Seed drilling is there? No, this will going to save the time within a little bit of the time, that will going to sow the 1 acre or 2 acre of the land. And the labor also, there is no need of the labor for the seed drill. If required also, with 1 or 2 labors only we will going to do this type of the work. Appropriate distance between the seed help to get the sufficient sunlight, nutrients and the water. What type of the distance? Equal distance, already I told. Equal distance, this will going to helpful for the seeds and to get the sufficient sunlight. How much sunlight they require, that type of the sunlight they are getting. If we are sowing in a equal distance means, and the nutrients and the water also they are getting if we are sowing in a equal distance means. Few plants have to be removed to prevent the overcrowding. After the sowing, some of the seeds will going to start the growing as a plants, and this type of the some of the plants, not all, some of the plants we have to remove to prevent the overcrowding. If the overcrowding happened means again that is become problem of the growing. This is about the seed drill.